Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can download and use the Excel Distance Calculator, a tool designed to simplify your driving distance calculations directly in Excel. This tool is perfect for anyone managing logistics, planning travel routes, or optimizing schedules. It connects with Google Maps to calculate precise driving distances and times, all without leaving your spreadsheet. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, and this one is a favorite among our 7,500 plus happy customers. People love how it saves them hours of work, reduces errors, and makes managing location-based tasks so much easier. One user even said, "This tool is a game changer. It's seamless, accurate, and incredibly efficient." Another called our customer service support exceptional. And yes, we actually answer the phone when you call. Here's how it works. First, download the tool from the link in the description below. Once you open the tool, simply paste your API key in the Settings tab and the starting and ending addresses in the Main tab. It works with various formats: full addresses, zip codes, cities, and even partial addresses. Hit the Calculate button and the tool generates accurate driving distances in miles and times in minutes for all your location pairs. Whether you're working with 10 or 10,000 addresses, this tool gets the job done in minutes. The best part? It's built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. And it's incredibly flexible. It works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. If you're ready to download the Excel Distance Calculator, click the link in the description below. If you need any help or customizations, don't hesitate to reach out. You can call or email us, and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tools. Let's make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Catch you next time.